Alright, this is Andy with Fat Man's Garage. Just getting back to our test drive. I'm going to walk around the Firebird here real quick, kind of get a good feel for it. See, the paint looks really good, shines up very nicely. Just got new tires put on there, the Cooper Cobras. The tires had lots of tread left on because this car sat for a long time, but they were very dry rot. As you can see, someone's upgraded the fenders to the Trans Am fenders. Also has all the spoilers on it for the Trans Am. Nice and clean here. We'll take a quick shot inside the trunk to show how nice everything is in here. See, it's a very solid car. Walk up here. Paint looks really good from a distance. There are a few blemishes if you really want to nitpick it. You know, there's a couple spots where paint's bubbling up a little bit. It is an older paint job. But as far as driver quality, this is perfect. You're not going to have any issues at all. Look under the hood, big block 400. You got the functional ram air. So the scoops are open on this one. You got the functional ram air. All right, we'll look things over. I will shoot some more videos and have a lot of pictures up on the site. Take and let me know what questions you might have. Thanks a lot. Thanks for checking out Fat Man's Garage.